How to send money from Skrill to Jazzcash. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can send money from Jazzcash. So the first step is to log in into your Skrill account, and then once you're on your Skrill account, you can see three icons. Alright, three buttons which include pay online, buy and sell crypto, and then send money. Ensure you selected the send money icon because that is what we'll be working with in this tutorial. So once you've selected it, just scroll down as you would see two options which include send instantly to anyone on Skrill and then international money transfer. So once you can see this, next step is to click on continue because you're trying to send money to another account entirely. So once you click on continue, you will be brought to the home page where you can see send direct to a bank account or mobile wallet pay for your transfer, the card etc. Now if you want to make use of this first option, ensure that Charge Cash is a bank account that is not available in your country, because if it's available in your country, instead of using this, you can just decide to select the second option by the right left side of the screen, which is withdraw your bank account, your account balance, sorry. So so for you to use skill money transfer, you can see the amount here, and then you can now go ahead and select the country in which the Cash account is located and the currency that you want to use to, majorly the currency. And then once you're done selecting it, just select deliver to bank account, then select how you want to pay. You want to pay with your credit card or debit card. Ensure you select the debit card, and then you can see the time to deliver etc. So you can just click on continue to continue the process. All right. So once you click on continue, you'll be redirected to another page where you can continue the sending process. Ensure you follow the on-screen instructions, and from there the money will be sent to your Cash account. Now I cannot go beyond this because I have not added my bank card to my account and I won't be able to continue. But for you, ensure you've added your bank card and then follow these processes, and you'll be able to send money from your Skrill account to your Cash account. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.